Ayan guys, as you can see, kakalinis lang ni Stonic. Galing tayong car wash. So ayun guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we are driving this Kia Stonic, or 2023 Kia Stonic LX Automatic, that has a 1.4 liter engine, produces 100 horsepower. So ayan, as you can see, napakalinis na niya. Ikutan lang natin siya and then let's take it for a drive. So tara, drive na natin siya. Oops, medyo madilim. Thank you kuya. Thank you. Okay, let's drive this Kia Stonic. Let's go. One of the standout feature ng Kia Stonic is the infotainment system. Yung comfortable interior, sleek design niya. And also responsive yung Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. No, lets you stay connected. And what I also like is the Tiptronic here, para makapag manual mode ka. So this is very usable, lalo na nung nasa Baguio kami, ginamit ko tong Tiptronic. So let's try. Downshift tayo. You can hear the revs, no. We're actually here pala sa Paligi, Apalit, Pampanga, and magda-drive tayo sa river control, elevated road siya, no, na medyo masikip ang daan and medyo lubak din. I chose this road kasi dito na din naman yung pauwi, and also tamang tama itong Kia Stonic para sa road condition dito sa area na to, kasi napakalubak, malalalim yung bumps and humps. So let's see. Ayan na nga. Of course, hindi ito 4x4, no. This is still a crossover. Yung ride height niya is medyo mataas. You're like driving a sedan, but a lifted sedan. Medyo masikip na yung daan dito, guys. As you can see, napaka smooth ng ride ni Stonic, no? Also at the same time, napaka solid niya, no? Solid yung build niya. It feels solid. Lalo na sa road condition dito. It feels solid, then at the same time comfortable siya. When I drove this to Baguio, di man ako masyadong nahirapan. I mean, hindi ako masyadong napagod. Hindi ako masyadong nag-fatigue, no, sa pagda-drive. So that means na ganun ka po comfortable si Stonic. So as you can see, we're driving this control road. Medyo kabisado ko na yung daan dito, and iniiwasan ko lang yung mga malalalim na potholes. So again, this is a river control. It's elevated because we have a river here. Banda doon yung river. As you can see, it's also nimble, no, and very responsive ni Stonic. You can literally drive it like a sedan. It really feels like a sedan, lalo na pag binaba mo to. And if you want a bit of a commanding view, ayan, itaas mo lang ito, and then boom, there you go. So this has an automatic transmission. So mafe-feel mo talaga yung pag-shift ng engine niya. It has the traditional automatic transmission with a 4-cylinder engine. So in terms of fuel economy naman, Kia Stonic gives me in the city for about 13 to 15 kilometers per liter, and in the highway it can do about 18 to 22 kilometers per liter. So napakatipid niya for its segment. This is a crossover. Not to mention, and ang dami nang nauusong crossover ngayon, ha. Crossovers are dominating the car industry right now. It can hold up to 4,000 RPM. Di ko pa sinagad yung gas. It really feels sporty, no? Andun pa din yung enjoyment dito sa Kia Stonic. Then at the same time, I think Kia Stonic is one of the most good looking crossovers out there. You know, some crossovers are ugly looking, guys, right? Ugly looking yung mga ibang crossovers. Ang hirap nila pormahan, but yung Kia Stonic, balance lang siya. Napaka-pogi niya. Yung looks niya nag-i-stand out sa lahat. It's a looker, no? Mapapalook ka talaga. And then, yeah, it's a crossover hatchback. Overall, almost 3 months na pala itong si Stonic sa akin. So overall, nag-i-enjoy ako dito sa Stonic. And I can say na magtatagal to sa akin. Maybe good for 5 or more years, di ba? And then, not to mention as well, guys, kasya yung dalawang bikes sa likod. We have a folding bike and yung bike ni Kendrick. So kapag nag-exercise, nagbabike kami, nilalagay namin yung bike sa likod. Kasya naman. And for my infotainment system, ang ginagamit ko navigation is Google Maps, no? Kasi binibigyan niya ako ng actual 3D picture. Maaraw na dito, nakaharap yung araw. Lapit na tayo. So park lang tayo dito and let's end the vlog here, or the POV. Alright. So thank you so much, guys, for joining me sa ating POV drive dito kay Kia Stonic. Sana nag-enjoy kayo, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga updated na videos natin. So yun lang, guys. Peace out.